Stop washing your car with dish soap. Here are 10 detailing mistakes you probably are making and how to correct them. Let's get started. Now, dish soaps are great for washing your dishes, but that's about as far as I would take it. I would not recommend using a dish soap just because it could potentially damage your paintwork. And I guess the reason why people would resort to using a dish soap in the first place is because it's in their home already. They don't have to drive anywhere to get soap. All they have to do is just go to their sink, grab their soap, wash their car, and call it a good day. When in reality, it's not gonna be a good day. Instead, I would honestly recommend using a Chemical Guys premium car wash soap that's actually meant to wash your car and not your dishes. Big difference between dish soap and car wash soap. Biggest difference is that this does not contain degreasing agents that are going to strip away your waxes, your sealants, and your ceramic coatings that are sitting on your paintwork, because if you don't have any of those, they're going to leave your paint exposed to the harsh UV rays, and in reality, in the long run, it's going to dry your paint, it's going to discolor it, it's going to oxidize it, and it's going to lead to clear coat failure, which is going to make your brand new car look like something that belongs in the 90s. And while we're on the topic of dishwashing soaps, I sure hope that you're not using one of these dishwashing sponges to wash your car along with it, because this thing is meant for scrubbing chicken grease off plates, not your paint. Now, the reason why anyone would probably use this in the first place is probably because it's right next to your dishwasher soap. And I don't think that a lot of people put two and two together in the sense that, one, obviously people are using dishwasher soap to wash your cars, and then they're gonna be using something like this because they think that it's gonna do an incredible job at scrubbing off all the dirt and grime because it is aggressive. You don't wanna do that to your paint because it's gonna scratch up your paint like Swirl City. So you don't wanna have that going on. You wanna make sure your paint looks as pristine as possible for as long as possible, and this, unfortunately, is not gonna do it. Instead, you want to use one of these Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitts. Now, the reason that you want to use one of these in the first place is because, one, you have a lot more coverage as opposed to that tiny little crusty wash sponge, and two, it's soft. Unlike the sponge, it has a scrubby side and the other soft side, which I think people would probably use because they think it's softer. But in reality, those sponges are designed to trap dirt and grime, and you can't really extract it. You can't really wash them out. You can rinse them out, but a lot of the abrasive particles, they actually stay within the sponge, which can cause scratches and swirls to your paintwork. Instead, we utilize these Chenille Microfiber noodles, which are soft, they're microfiber, and they're actually meant for your paintwork because they're not going to scratch up your paint, and they also filter out the abrasive particles as you're wiping down your car. As you can imagine, you have dirt, grime, road grime, contaminants sitting on it, bird poop, whatever it is. This is going to be the ultimate and safest thing that you can use to wipe down your car with without scratching it. The next thing that you should not be doing when it comes to cleaning your car is using a bath towel to dry it. Now, the reason you don't want to use a bath towel to dry your car, even though you may dry your body with it, is because this is not the best material to dry your car. Now, these bath towels are normally all cotton, and cotton, depending on the way you care for it, the fiber can actually get burnt and they can actually get hard and brittle and can actually scratch your paintwork. Now, I know a lot of people will think that this is a great idea because one, it's convenient because they probably already have one at their home, and two, it's large and they think it's gonna do an incredible job at drying their car because it does an incredible job at drying their bodies. Well, the reality is it's not. The cotton is not going to do a great job, and it's also not the safest for your paintwork. It could potentially scratch it, and it's really just going to smear the water all over the place as opposed to something like our Chemical Guys Microfiber Woolly Mammoth drying towel. Now, this is a great alternative in terms of a drying towel for your vehicle because this is actually meant for paintwork, glass, chrome, and basically any surface that you have on your vehicle. Now, the difference is that this is made of microfiber as opposed to cotton. Now, microfiber is a much better option when it comes to drying your vehicle with because it's much more absorbent and it's a lot softer for your paintwork. And the great thing about it is that you can actually wash it and use it time and time again. And this is our most popular towel. It's soft, it's ultra plush, and it also has silk line edging. That way it does not scratch your paintwork during the drying process. And while we're on the topic of drying cars, something that you might be doing when it comes to drying your car is driving it around the block to get all the water off. And I'm here to tell you that that's a terrible idea. You should not be doing that. As much as you think it's a great idea by saving time, by getting all the water off with just driving it around, it's not actually doing anything because what you're really going to be doing is getting all kinds of fine dust, debris, and road grime on your vehicle after washing it. And then what are you gonna do? You're gonna go to dry it and then you're gonna scratch it all up. If you're gonna be using a microfiber towel to do that, you could potentially scratch the paint with all the fine debris that you just collected while driving your car around the block. And you're also gonna be getting water spots on your car because you're letting the water sit there for longer and the sun is hitting it as well. So definitely don't wanna drive your car around the block Instead, what you want to do is use something like our ProBlow high-speed blower to dry your vehicle with. Now, this is a great alternative for drying your car if you're not going to be using a microfiber towel like the Woolly Mammoth, because this packs a punch. You go ahead and you connect it, and you can use the power of air to dry your entire car, or you can use a combination of both, a drying towel and the ProBlow, to use this to dry all the nooks and crannies, and use your Woolly Mammoth to dry all the large areas. Would you use the same towels that you use to clean your bathroom, to dry your dishes, or clean your countertops in your kitchen? Probably wouldn't, right? I mean, I hope not. Well, in that case, that's gonna lead us to our next thing that you should not be doing when it comes to cleaning your car, which is cross-contaminating your towels. Now, just like you would not wash your dishes with something that you use to clean your bathroom, you wouldn't use a towel for your wheels to clean your interior, and vice versa. So when it comes to our microfiber towels, we have a bunch of different colors, but don't get me wrong, they're not just all for looks, they actually do serve a purpose. Here at the Chemical Guys headquarters, we actually have a color-coded system for our towels and what we use them for. Now, keep in mind, this is how we use them here. You do not have to use them in this order. This is just a color-coded system that we created to help us out here, because we're all working on cars, whether it be me, Henry, Nick, you name it. We have a bunch of different people here at the garage working with different towels, and the last thing that you want to do is cross-contaminate. Let me walk you through it. Starting off with the gray towel, we use them here for metal and chrome. Our green workhorse towels we use for body and paint because they're light and you can see when you pick up any kind of dirt and grime. Black workhorse towels are great because they're dark and they're gonna hide any kind of dirt and grime on them. So these are ideal for cleaning wheels, undercarriage, and engine bays. The next towel that we have, we use our brown towels for leather because it resembles the color of leather. Next, we have our yellow workhorse towels, which we use for cleaning interior. So that's anything to do from your dashboards, door panels, cup holders, you name it. It's gonna work out great for all those occasions. And last but not least, we have our blue workhorse towels, which we use for cleaning glass because our popular product is streak-free glass cleaner. That's blue, and that's just to let you know that is for cleaning glass. So you're using microfiber towels, which is great, but don't make the mistake of washing them with just any detergent. Instead, make sure that you use our microfiber wash detergent because it's safe for microfibers. It's safe for microfiber towels and accessories. So whether it be your drying towels, your applicators, your polishing towels, your workhorse towels, it's gonna work out great on all occasions. And the reason that this is specifically intended for microfibers is because this contains the perfect amount of strength to extract any kind of dirt, grime, oils from waxes, polishes, and compounds, and so much more from your towels safely without ruining the microfiber itself. The reason that you don't want to use any plain detergent to wash your microfiber goods is because what ends up happening is if that detergent is too aggressive for the microfiber strands, it's going to harden them up and it's going to potentially cause a hazard for scratches and swirls on your paint, glass, chrome, wheels, whatever it is that you use it on, it has the potential to scratch. Now, when it comes to shine, we all love it, but there's just some areas of our vehicles which we should just kind of stay away from it. More specifically, areas like steering wheels, floor mats, and pedals. When it comes to those surfaces, you don't want to apply anything that could potentially make them shiny because that can cause a safety hazard. Instead, we recommend using a product like Total Interior, which is basically safe to use on all of your interior surfaces, including your pedals, your steering wheel, and your floor mats, as well as things like your dashboard, door panels, leather, navigation screens, fabrics and upholstery, and so much more. And the great thing about it is that it's an all-in-one product. Simply spray, wipe, clean up dirt, dust, debris, body oils, fingerprints, you name it. It's gonna work out great. And the thing I love most about this is that it does not provide any kind of shine whatsoever. It actually just maintains the OEM look of your interior. What if I were to tell you that the glass cleaner that you use at home should not be the same one that you use on your car? The reason why is because the household glass cleaner that you use for your house has ammonia in it. For those of you guys out there who have tinted glass on your car, you don't want to use an ammonia-based glass cleaner because that ammonia within it is actually very corrosive to the tint. It can actually discolor it, cause it to turn purple, and it can peel it in some occasions. Do yourself a favor and get rid of that household glass cleaner and get yourself a bottle of Chemical Guys Streak-Free Glass Cleaner instead. Now, Chemical Guys Streak-Free Glass Cleaner is safe to use on tinted and non-tinted glass and windows. So it's the ultimate cleaner. And me personally, I had nothing but great experiences with this product, especially for you guys out there who clean your glass in direct sunlight. This is the ultimate streak-free product. And then a pro tip for you guys out there, make sure to pair it with one of our waffle weave glass cleaning towels for that ultimate cleaning experience, because those waffle weave towels do a great job at wiping your glass and also filtering out the dirt and grime throughout it because of that waffle-like texture to give you nothing but crystal clear results. The reason that your tire shine is not lasting long is because you're not prepping the surface before applying it. Now, a lot of you guys out there think that just by washing your car, that's more than enough to clean your tires. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's just not. Instead, what you need actually is our Total Extract Tire and Rubber Cleaner. Now this product we literally made specifically for this purpose because we love tire shine, we love the shine, we love the protection, and we love how long it lasts, but you're not gonna get those results unless you clean it properly with this product. Now this product right here is intended to remove dirt, grime, previous dressings and embedded oils on your tires for a better application when it comes to applying tire shine. If you're just washing your car and you expect for that water that lands on your tires, it's cleaning your tires, it's not enough. It's not doing you the justice of fully cleaning it, because what you're doing is you're applying tire shine, and what are you doing next? The next week that you wash your car, you apply tire shine again and you don't clean your tires, and then what you do again, you wash your car again, you apply more tire shine, and it just starts building up until the point where you just have this layer of muck and black grime on your tires, which is causing your tire shine not to bond properly. And one thing you're definitely doing wrong is not being prepared for the unexpected. But luckily for you, here at Chemical Guys, we have the solution with our trunk organizer bag. Now when you're on the road, things happen. Bird poop lands in your car, you park next to some sprinklers and now you have water spots, or maybe you just spill some food or your cup of coffee on your way to work. You can be prepared by having all the right cleaning tools and products with you with your storage organizer bag. Now, having this with you at all times not only keeps your trunk organized, but it also allows you to have all the detailing essentials with you in easy reach for any kind of detailing emergency that you may encounter. Whether you're trying to deal with some bird poop that landed on your car, simply go ahead and open up your bag, pull out your bottle of speed wipe and just wipe it away. Maybe you got those water spot stains, the last thing that you want are water spots, so the best time to take care of them is when they happen. So use that speed wipe or waterless wash to wipe that stuff off. Or maybe you just spill your cup of coffee on your way to work or your food, use Total Interior to wipe that stuff clean. That way it doesn't deteriorate your finish of your vehicle. All right guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys learned a thing or two, leave it in the comment section down below. And for those of you guys out there who know someone or two who may be making these detailing mistakes, I want you to copy the link, send it to them because they need to learn how to correct them. My name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you next time.